One of our favorite games features a delightfully satisfying mechanic, a friendly crow helping players cross obstacles. It's designed and optimized for mobile play, and it never fails to put a smile on our faces. Now, this helpful little crow is ready to bring that same charm to your players too. When players run into a seemingly impossible obstacle, they'll spot a clever crow perched nearby, ready to lend a wing. Just grab him and off you go, soaring through the air as he lifts you up and over. Fly past boulders, glide onto new platforms, or see just how far this feathered friend will carry you. The helpful crow mechanic is super easy to use, even if you don't know TypeScript. Just drop the asset into your world, read the handy README, and you're ready to fly. Zero coding required. Customizing is just as easy. Click on the crow and open the Properties window. Here you can decide how long the crow carries players, measured in seconds, or even adjust the strength of its lift. And for extra flavor, you can plug in your own sound effects, flapping wings, squawking caws, or whatever bird noises make you smile. Have fun experimenting, and next time you see a real crow hanging around your neighborhood, go ahead and ask, "Hey, where's my ride?"